Welcome to 1203 Waterfall Avenue in Leander, Texas. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage home. Let's take a spin around and have a look at the neighborhood here. We are just right off of County Road 279, and it gives you easy access to Hero Way and 183. We're also easy access to the toll road from here. In this area, just down the road, in fact, we have Divine Lake Park, which is a really nice area to take the kids or the dogs to go play. All right, we are walking up here to the front porch, and as we enter in here, to our immediate left, we have the 2 secondary bedrooms and a bath. And to our right, we have the utility room and the entrance in to the garage. And then straight ahead here, we have the living room. And to the right of that, the master bedroom. And to the left, the kitchen and dining area. So as we walk through, you can see that beautiful fireplace there with the mantle. And then of course we have the kitchen. It's at the back of the house here. Have that really neat configuration there. Got lots of cabinets in this kitchen and lots of windows as well. See the windows there in the corner. And then of course right behind us here we have the dining room. That nice bay window. All right, we'll just take a peek outside real fast. We've got a patio here that is covered, and we've got that storage shed. That nice green belt out behind the property here. All right, we're going to head into the master bedroom. And this master bedroom is really unique. It's got an extra sitting area, or what could be a study or even a nursery area here. And then the nicely sized area for your bed and dresser, whatever you might like in there. There is a walk-in closet here off of the bedroom. And here we have the master bath, the double vanity, and the tub and shower combo. It's a really spacious bath there. All right, you can get another view of that sitting or study area there. And we'll head back through the main living area, and we're going to head up to the front of the house here, to those secondary bedrooms. Here we go. Spin around here. See the closet there. In the hallway here in between the 2 bedrooms, we have the secondary bath there behind the door. And here we have the 3rd bedroom with its closet. All right, and this concludes our tour of 1203 Waterfall Avenue in Leander, Texas.